All right, everyone. Thank you for joining AVAX, AVAX, USDT, Binance chart. Let's go ahead and take a look. And as you can see, we had a pretty massive sell-off from around the $12 area. It's found support at around $11, and it's looking to probably move higher and more than likely retest the $12 range, or at least this little area here around $11.80. We can go ahead and pull the fibs from this high to the swing low. You'll see the golden pocket is around $11.50. Just a disclosure, I am currently long on AVAX, entered somewhere around here. So looking for that 2% move into the golden pocket before more than likely a continuation down. You know, everything is going pretty bearish right now, so I wouldn't be surprised if we just go up, tap the level, continue down, maybe try to reclaim it, hit this with a bearish retest, and continue to move a little lower, right? Now, right now, the long is playing out quite well, so we'll see how this plays out in the long run. But what I want to do is explain to you exactly why I took this long. So if we go ahead and look to the left, you'll see that this was a major support area in the past, right? So even if we go to the daily, you'll see that this support actually held for about, let's see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days before moving higher, right? Once it moved higher, found another support level, failed it here. I actually tried to take a long here, but obviously got stopped out. But now it sold off to this next major support right down here, and I am currently long because price did react pretty well at this level before. So I'm hoping that it will have the same reaction. We have no idea what price will do, but based on what's happened in the past and this being a very strong level and it performing a swing failure pattern, that's where price goes below the previous low, reclaims, and starts to move higher, right? So the swing failure pattern is in full effect. Let's go ahead and zoom into the lower time frames here. And you'll see this might end up playing out in my favor. I'm gonna keep an eye on this, set some alerts, you know, hit this right here, add an alert around the golden pocket, just so we can see how this really plays out. Now, I also took this because if you go ahead and look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin did something very similar, right? So this is a pivot low. Bitcoin fell below that low, reclaimed it, and is now holding that support, right? So the bulls are trying to keep price above this support level. It's very technical. A lot of traders use the swing failure pattern, so hopefully it does hold. If not, you know, we continue to look lower, right? If this does not hold, then obviously AVAX more than likely won't hold as well. And if we zoom out, the next level down for AVAX is technically this low right here. This is where it found support before massive buying pressure came in. So that is more than likely looking like, let's see here. From where price is at right now, that's about a 13% decline in price. So my stop, like always, is right below this wick, as it should be with the swing failure pattern. If price falls below this wick, I'll be out of this trade, and I will just look to take another long at these levels here. You can possibly, you know, enter a short position if price fails, does a bearish retest. You might want to try to enter there if you can. Right, that seems like a decent area with maybe a stop over here, 1% higher. If you get a perfect entry, yep, right about there, 1% higher, right? You always want to use proper risk management, 1 to 2% risk per trade. Anything more, you'll more than likely blow up your account over time. But that's pretty much it for AVAX. Thank you for joining. Hit that like and subscribe button. Like I said in previous videos, if there is a altcoin or Bitcoin you want to see me chart, just go ahead and leave it in the comments below, right? So any altcoin, or if you want to see me chart Bitcoin, go ahead, leave it in the comments below, and I will do my best to get that out to you as soon as possible. Thank you for joining. Take care.